A crowded street, noise, movement, hustle everywhere. People are working hard, but somehow money still feels far. Now imagine this. What if the same phone in your hand could start making you money this week? Not next year, not after a degree. This week, because right now across Africa, people are quietly using AI to earn. No experience, no connections, no capital. And today you're going to see exactly how. There's a lie many people believe, that AI's only for tech experts, programmers, engineers, people in big offices. But that's not what's happening anymore. AI has changed the game. Now the people making money are not the smartest. They're the ones who understand simple problems and use AI to solve them faster. So in this video, I'll show you 5 real AI side hustles you can start in Africa with zero experience. And more importantly, I'll show you which one you should start first. Scroll through YouTube. What makes you click? It's not the title first, it's the image. Bright colors, bold text, emotion. That's what pulls attention. Now here's the opportunity. Thousands of African creators are posting content, but their thumbnails are weak. Businesses are posting online, but their designs look basic. That's where you come in. Using simple tools like Canva or AI image generators, you can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, flyers for small businesses. And the truth is, most clients don't care how you made it. They care about one thing. Will this get attention? You can start by offering free samples, then charge small, and grow fast. Short videos are taking over everything. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, everywhere. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to edit. They record, but their videos are boring. No captions, no energy, no retention, and that's why they don't grow. With simple tools like CapCut, you can add captions, add zoom effects, cut out boring parts, add sound effects, and suddenly, a boring video becomes engaging. This is one of the fastest ways to make money because creators don't want to learn editing. They want to post and grow. If you can save them time, they will pay you. Walk into any local business, hair vendors, food sellers, clothing brands. They all have one thing in common. They struggle to sell with words. Their captions are weak. Their WhatsApp messages are dry. Their ads don't convert. But AI can fix that instantly. You can use AI to write sales messages, product descriptions, Instagram captions, WhatsApp, broadcast texts. And here's the key. You don't need to be a writer. You just need to understand this. People buy from emotion, not grammar. If your message can make someone feel urgency or desire, it will sell, and businesses will keep coming back. This one is different. It doesn't pay immediately, but when it works, it changes everything. Faceless YouTube channels, no camera, no face, no stress, just storytelling. You can create African folktales, Bible stories, horror stories, real-life lessons using AI for voiceovers, scripts, visuals, and over time, your channel grows, views increase, and money starts coming in. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. This requires consistency. Not one video, not 2. But if you stay consistent, this becomes more than a side hustle. It becomes an asset. There are thousands of job seekers, and most of them are making one mistake. Their CV is weak, generic, boring, forgettable. But companies don't read everything. They scan, and in seconds, they decide. Using AI, you can transform a basic CV into something powerful. You can rewrite CVs, create strong cover letters, optimize for specific jobs, and people will gladly pay. Because this is tied to something serious, their future. You're not just editing a document, you're increasing someone's chance to get hired. Now let's be honest, none of these will make you rich overnight. There will be slow days, there will be rejection, there will be moments you feel like giving up. But here's the difference. Most people are waiting for the perfect time, waiting for money, waiting for opportunity. But the people who win start small, messy, imperfect, and improve as they go. So here's your move. Don't try all 5. Pick one, just one. Start today. Send messages, offer value, learn as you go. Because 1 month from now, You could still be watching videos, or you could be earning. Oh, the choice is yours. If you're ready to make your first money with AI. The next video will show you exactly how to get your first client step by step. Don't miss it.